The day before it brought us through some crazy weather, including snow, but now we had the sun, so we were going to lean into it. This day had a surprise up its sleeve for us, the Cirque du Navacelles. We were cruising along through the Massif Central, the southern part of it, where the limestone plateaus called causes open up for spectacular views, especially on a sunny day like today. Massif Central covers about 15% of France down in the south central area and is made up of rugged mountains, deep gorges, and limestone plateaus. It appeared that we were going to see all of those as we started to descend into this chasm. Our Garmin Zumo GPS takes us to the most interesting roads when you set it to avoid tolls and highways. We've been on cart tracks, back roads, quiet country lanes, and this geological formation known as an incised meander with switchbacks galore. Motorcyclist's dream road. That's right, I said motorcyclist's dream road, not transport truck. We couldn't believe it when we came around the corner and what was ahead of us but this giant truck. I'm not sure how they navigated the 180-degree switchbacks, but they seemed happy to see us as they waved and videotaped our drive-by. Well, with that little bit of highway excitement behind us, we were going to sit back and enjoy the ride. Why don't you do the same? We'll see you at the bottom. A bientôt. Take care and keep on traveling.